Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to automatically reduce icon size on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To automatically reduce icon size on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. In command prompt, type control space desk dot cpl double comma 0. Now hit enter. Desktop icon settings will be opened. Here you will find an option allow themes to change desktop icons, and now it's selected. Just deselect it and click on apply and then OK. Now close control panel. Again go to search. In search, type disk cleanup. Right click on disk cleanup and click on run as administrator. And here select your operating system drive C and then click on OK. Here uncheck all option as because I do not need to clean up all these things. Just I need to clean up thumbnail. Just select thumbnail and the size is 12 MB right now. Now click on OK. Then thumbnail will be cleared. Click on delete files. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up necessary files on your computer. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on start menu and then click on power and then click on restart. After restarting your computer, hope desktop icons automatically reduce size in Windows 11 computer will be fixed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.